Hello, entrepreneurs, and to everyone who allowed me to serve them last year in the capacity of preparing their taxes. Let me just say thank you. I want to thank you for a wonderful year. I appreciate you so much. We are at tax season again. Tuesday is the first day that the IRS will be accepting e-filing, so get your information in. Some companies have not uploaded or provided the W-2, but in most cases, most of them have it available via online, and maybe by the person that prepares your checks or that they send it to. Maybe it's ADP, Paychex. So just check with them to see if it's online. If you are going to send it in, please make sure you email everything to me at Kimberly Guy Davis 2000 at yahoo.com. I know a lot of you use your phones, but it's so important for a tax preparer such as myself to be able to maintain the records, and I do not do that on my phone. I will accept text. We can talk via text. Sometimes I even allow people to send their documentation as far as their driver's license. But I actually prefer that if you're going to do anything with your W-2, please email it to me. Like most other tax preparers, we are prepared for this. So we have secured information, secured our information. We go through extra links to make sure that your information is protected, and we want to make sure that we can view it and see it correctly. And just because you take a picture of it doesn't mean we get to see everything. And then it's quite difficult to prepare from your phone. So just in general, I'm saying it for me, but I bet most tax preparers would agree. Make sure you email your information. Also, in this tax time, think about every job that you work, because you want to include every W-2. Sometimes people say, I didn't make enough, they didn't take taxes out, and they want to make a decision to not include that W-2. But those kind of things will allow the IRS to reject your tax return, and when they reject it, then you got to go back through the scrutiny of resubmitting, and it becomes a bigger issue than not. There is no guarantee when refunds will come. People ask me that all the time. The IRS will always publish a website saying if you do, or that every Wednesday they usually release money. And just because they put that out there doesn't mean that yours will be released in that time frame. So keep that in mind as well. Again, I want to thank everyone who allowed me to serve them last year, and I'm looking forward to serving you well this year. It's been your girl, the Queen Bee of Doing Business Better, saying bye-bye and happy tax season. Make appointments. Let's review your tax season. Let's talk about what you want out of this year, and let's get that business in order. Because remember, we're not just doing taxes because it's tax season, but we're also doing tax planning for the future so that your future can be bright. And it cannot be bright if you do not have money management and you don't have discipline.